Pop it in my inner corners. You can never have enough highlighter. Hi loves, it's Khloe. I just can't keep it a secret anymore. I cannot wait to show you guys these two gorgeous eyeshadow palettes that you might get in my IPSY collection. You know I live for a good transformation, honey. And the 14 shades of this Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette gives you all the options. For my natural glam, I tend to stick to the shades on the left. I love to use the matte colors on my crease, and I pop a little shimmer on my lids. I mean, have you seen Primavera? It is stunning. I am also obsessed with Patrick Starrr's One Size Visionary eyeshadow palette. Something that I love about this is Patrick thinks of everything. I've always had long nails, and how this is made at an angle. Look how easy that is for me to open. Brownie, matcha, soft serve, oh, these colors are so yummy. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this title holder gold, pop it in my inner corners. You can never have enough highlighter. Get the look with my IPSY collection this May.